Good afternoon. It's Jeremy here with Strongman Structures. I want to quick give you a sneak peek of this building that I just finished out. It is a 10 by 24 and finished it out completely. No steps skipped. Have an outdoor receptacle out here on the porch. This is the inside. Has laminated flooring. Indoor receptacles, trim around the windows. It's going to make a nice finished out she shed. There's my little light fixtures up there. I have two of those hanging in here. It's my little electrical box here. 4 breakers in there. It's ready to wire up to your property. What do you guys think? Do you like it? It's a 10 by 24. Started out just as a bare, what we call a cabin. It's just an A-frame pitch roof on the outside. It's insulated. Wired and ready for someone to move into. So I just want to give you a quick peek of this building. If this is something you are interested in, message me. My name is Jeremy. I'm with Strongman Structures. Give you another quick look of the outside here. There's the outside of it. And I put 2 windows on this building here. The reason why I wanted 2 windows on this side is because I figured that someone would want to put a little window air conditioner in it. A little window unit in one of these windows here. And still have 1 free window. So this side has 2 windows. There's a window in the front here. Of course, there's glass on the door. That's a 36-inch door there. And then there's a window here. So what do you think? Got a metal roof on it. And it is a beautiful little studio shed, she shed, whatever you want to call it. Been working on that for a few months here and finished it up. Check out our website, strongmanstructures.com. Come by and visit us. We're located at 8120 Main Street, big old town of Vanceboro. Come check us out, 8120 Main Street.